Yesterday's wet weather spreading south across the country, brightening up behind, and the outlook turns colder. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 4th.
Minutes last night?
I did, yes. I went out with my daughter and I was outside. She has a ballet class, so I was outside ballet going, that's Jupiter, that's Venus, that's Neptune, and that's Mars.
Fantastic.
Very exciting.
Yeah, well,
And she looked at them first. She went, Mummy, a planet. So I like to, if anybody's walking past, I'm like, which one do you think that one is? She was like, is it Jupiter? I'm like, yes. She's so clever, she's so clever.
her mother's daughter.
There's still a chance of seeing them tonight. A better chance, actually. The skies are clearer. Here's the details. Weather-wise, for many, it was actually pretty cloudy last night. We had a band of rain across Scotland. Yesterday, it's slipping its way south through England and Wales today, but clear skies develop tonight, and then high pressure moves in. And if you like dry, clear, fine conditions, this is our friend, and it stays with us all week long, but it does mean temperatures tumble with the return of some nighttime frost. But for today, that band of rain moves through. So for Andy there in the sunshine, 20 degrees for him. A very different story for us here in the UK because we've got cloudy skies, rain moving in, and things turn colder. But that is thanks to high pressure moving in. High pressure is like a force field. It stops all of these weather fronts moving in. So yes, the outlook may be turning colder, but it is also a mild day ahead. Temperatures 10, 11 degrees with this southwesterly flow. But that all changes. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook, where, as I said, high pressure moves in, and that means it turns settled, drier, and colder. So let's look at our temperatures compared to where they should be across the north of the UK. It is way above average today, average tomorrow, but it turns much colder through the weekend and into next week with the return of some pretty widespread nighttime frosts. Percentage chance of rainfall. Today we have that band of rain, but then it turns drier. Drier, settled, it lasts well into next week. And next week, the chance of some snow showers as this colder weather looks set to arrive. Fortunes further south to England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, the white line in the middle is where temperatures should be for the time of year, so we're above average, but it turns much colder into next week. And percentage chance of rainfall, very similar to the north. We have our band of rain around today, but then that high pressure does its job, keeping things fine and settled before it turns wintry into next week. Good morning to you. We had a band of rain across Scotland yesterday. That's now moving its way south through the day, and then skies brighten up behind. This is the latest satellite and radar. This is our weather front across Scotland, just clearing Northern Ireland, just moving into Wales and southwest England, and the whole band of rain slips its way southeast, was heaviest across southern Scotland, southeast holding onto some sunshine and staying mild. So there's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV. Good morning to you. Yesterday, we had a band of rain sitting across Scotland. Today, it's slowly slipping its way southwards. And once it clears, and it will, high pressure moves in. High pressure means that the weather fronts clear away. The ones that try and make progress don't succeed. It's like a force field. It stops weather moving in, so it turns drier, but it will turn colder. More on that later. Here's how it looks for today. This band of rain moves in with some blustery showers behind the radar picture. Good morning to you. Now, the weather today dominated by a band of rain that's slipping its way southeastwards, and that rain is set to turn heavy as we head through the day for western areas of Scotland, where we have a weather warning in force from the Met Office. Behind it, skies will brighten, and it turns pretty windy. Now, here's how it looks as we head through the day. The far southeast is dry, cloudy. It brightens up through the day, East Anglia and the southeast, it with dry weather until early this evening. It's central areas of England that see the band of rain through the afternoon. A wet morning for Wales, but it brightens up later. Scotland and Northern Ireland end the day with sunny spells and blustery showers.